Hello, health champions. Welcome to Wellness Wisdom. And remember to subscribe. Castor oil with baking soda. Watch what happens. You've probably heard of castor oil. It's been used for centuries as a natural remedy for all kinds of things, from dry skin to joint pain. And then there's baking soda, that white powder sitting quietly in most kitchen cabinets, known for everything from cleaning stains to whitening teeth. But here's something you may not have tried: mixing the two together. It sounds odd at first. What could a thick oil and a fizzy powder possibly do when combined? Well, it turns out, people around the world have been using this mix for some surprising and powerful home remedies. From clearing up stubborn skin issues to easing sore muscles, the combination of castor oil and baking soda is making waves in natural health circles. And in today's video, we're going to explore exactly what happens when you bring these two simple ingredients together. We'll break down what each one does, why they work so well as a team, and the different ways you can use them at home. So, if you're someone who loves natural remedies or just wants to try something new that's safe, affordable, and backed by generations of use, stick around. Let's get into it. Castor oil is a thick, pale yellow oil that comes from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis. It has a long history in natural medicine dating back to ancient Egypt, India, and China. Back then, it was used for everything from healing wounds to relieving constipation. And even today, it's still a favorite in many homes. The main reason castor oil is so powerful is because it's rich in something called ricinoleic acid. This is a rare fatty acid that gives castor oil its natural anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties. That means it can help fight off bacteria, reduce swelling, and keep your skin soft and hydrated. One of the most popular uses for castor oil is hair growth. People often apply it to their scalp or eyebrows to thicken hair over time. It's also commonly used for dry skin, acne scars, stretch marks, and wrinkles, thanks to its ability to nourish deep into the skin. Another well-known use is as a natural laxative. Just one spoonful can stimulate the bowels, though this use should be done carefully and only under guidance, as it can be very strong. What makes castor oil really stand out is how deeply it penetrates. Unlike many oils that just sit on the surface, castor oil soaks into the skin and tissues underneath, making it useful not just for surface-level concerns, but also for deeper issues like sore muscles or joint pain. And then we have baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate, is one of the most useful and versatile substances you can find in your kitchen, or anywhere, really. It's a fine white powder that looks pretty basic, but don't let its simple appearance fool you. It packs a serious punch when it comes to natural cleaning, health, and skin care. At its core, baking soda is an alkaline compound, which means it can neutralize acids. That's why it's often used to relieve heartburn or acid indigestion when mixed with water. But the same property also makes it great for soothing skin irritations, itchy rashes, or bug bites. In skincare, baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and smooth out rough patches. That's why people use it as a face scrub or add it to homemade masks. It's also a natural deodorizer, making it helpful for underarms, feet, or anywhere odor can build up. Beyond the skin, baking soda is known for whitening teeth, freshening breath, and even cleaning wounds. It's mildly antibacterial and helps keep things clean without being too harsh. The best part? It's incredibly affordable and easy to use. Just a teaspoon or two mixed with water or oil can go a long way. Now that we understand what castor oil and baking soda do on their own, here's the big question. Why combine them? What makes this mix so special? The answer lies in how their properties complement each other. Castor oil is deeply moisturizing and anti-inflammatory. It soaks into the skin, nourishes tissues, and helps repair damage. On the other hand, baking soda exfoliates, cleanses, and draws out impurities. One goes deep, the other clears the surface. Together, they form a simple but effective natural remedy. Think of it like this. Baking soda preps the skin by clearing away dead cells and opening up the pores. That allows the castor oil to penetrate even deeper, delivering its healing and soothing benefits right where they're needed. They also work together to balance the skin's pH. Baking soda's alkalinity can sometimes irritate the skin on its own, but the fatty acids in castor oil help neutralize that harshness. The result is a mixture that's gentle yet powerful, ideal for sensitive areas. Another big plus? Both have antimicrobial properties. That means this combo can help fight bacteria, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Whether you're dealing with acne, rashes, scars, or even minor infections, this mixture offers a natural approach that targets the problem from multiple angles. And it's not just old wives' tales. Many people who've tried this combination say it works better than over-the-counter creams for certain issues. Of course, it's not a replacement for medical care when needed, but it's a great natural remedy to have in your toolkit. Let's now dive into the most popular and effective ways people are using this mix at home. Dark spots can appear on the skin for many reasons: sun damage, acne scars, aging, or even hormonal changes. And while there are plenty of creams and serums on the market promising results, many of them are expensive or filled with harsh chemicals. That's where the natural combination of castor oil and baking soda comes in. Here's how it works. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove the layer of dead skin cells that make dark spots look more prominent. At the same time, it improves blood circulation to the area, which can encourage faster skin regeneration. Castor oil, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, which support healing and reduce inflammation. Together, they not only help fade the spots, but also nourish the new skin forming underneath. To try this at home, mix about 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. The mixture should be thick but spreadable. Apply it directly to the dark spots, avoiding sensitive areas like the eyes. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. For best results, use this 3 to 4 times a week. It's important to be patient. This is not a quick fix. But with consistent use, many people report seeing their skin tone even out, and their spots gradually fade. Also, don't forget sunscreen. Even natural treatments won't work well if you continue to expose your skin to the sun unprotected. Think of this remedy as a gentle, long-term partner in your skincare routine. Not a miracle cure, but a reliable helper. Reducing scars and stretch marks. Scars and stretch marks are a common part of life. Whether they're from weight changes, pregnancy, surgery, or acne, they can leave behind marks that are tough to fade. While there are cosmetic treatments like lasers and chemical peels, these can be costly and sometimes harsh on the skin. The castor oil and baking soda combo offers a natural, affordable alternative that's gentle but effective over time. Castor oil is especially known for promoting collagen production, which helps the skin rebuild and regain elasticity. Its deep penetrating nature allows it to nourish the skin from within, helping to soften tough scar tissue and improve the skin's appearance over time. Baking soda, meanwhile, gently buffs away old skin, encouraging the turnover of new, healthy cells. This duo not only works on acne scars, but is also used by many to reduce the visibility of stretch marks, especially when applied regularly and paired with massage. The massaging motion improves circulation, while the ingredients go to work healing the skin. To use, mix 1 part baking soda with 2 parts castor oil to form a paste. Apply it directly to the scar or stretch marks and massage it in circular motions for 3 to 5 minutes. Then leave the mixture on for another 20 to 30 minutes. You can also place a warm towel or heating pad over the area to help the oil absorb deeper. Repeat this at least 3 times a week. Some people see minor changes within a few weeks, but deeper scars and older stretch marks may take a couple of months to improve noticeably. Natural remedies like this one take time, but they also come with fewer risks. No harsh chemicals, no high cost. Just a slow, steady transformation toward healthier-looking skin. Natural remedy for cysts or lumps, like sebaceous cysts. Sebaceous cysts are small, typically harmless lumps that form under the skin. They're caused by blocked sebaceous glands and often contain a soft, oily substance. While they're not dangerous, they can become uncomfortable or get infected if not handled properly. That's why many people turn to natural remedies like castor oil and baking soda before opting for medical procedures. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It can help reduce swelling and fight off any bacteria that might try to infect the cyst. Baking soda, with its cleansing and drawing properties, is believed to help bring the contents of the cyst closer to the surface, making it easier for the body to reabsorb or drain it. To use this method, mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda to form a thick paste. Apply it directly to the cyst, making sure the skin is clean and dry. Cover the area with a gauze pad or cotton ball and secure it with a bandage. For best results, leave it on for several hours or overnight. Some people also apply a warm compress over the bandage for 15 to 20 minutes. The warmth helps open up the pores and boosts circulation, which can speed up healing and absorption. Repeat this process daily for a week or more, depending on the size of the cyst. You may notice the lump shrinking, softening, or even disappearing altogether. However, it's important to be cautious. If the cyst becomes painful, changes color, or grows rapidly, stop treatment and seek medical advice. This natural remedy isn't a guaranteed cure for every cyst, but it's a gentle and often effective option that many have found helpful, especially in the early stages of cyst formation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more simple health tips that make a big difference. And while you're at it, tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep smiling.